Warning, your brain might be filthy. No joke. If you've ever felt stuck, distracted, or overwhelmed, your brain is like this car, covered in mental mud, blocking your focus and slowing you down. And the worst part, most people don't even realize how much gunk is clouding their mind until they finally clean it off. So today, I'm giving your brain the ultimate car wash. By the end of this video, your mind is getting a full wash, rinse, and wax, so you can focus better, think clearer, and actually get to where you want to go in life.
Yes!
But if you click away now, you're basically choosing to drive blindfolded. Yikes! Yeah, don't do that. Let's go. Alright, first step in any car wash, you gotta recognize the dirt. Your mind works the same way. If your brain feels foggy, you gotta ask, what's clogging it up? Are you overthinking, doom scrolling for hours? Stressing over things you can't control? It's like driving with a windshield full of bug splatters. You don't even realize how much it's blocking your view until you clean it off. And just like you wouldn't drive for years without washing your car, why let your brain collect all this mental junk? What's one thing cluttering your mind right now? Drop it in the comments. I bet we all have the same ones. Next up, the foam blast. This is where the car wash covers your ride in a big foamy layer to loosen all the grime. In your mind, this is the part where you actively let go of distractions. Put your phone away when you need to focus. Say no to things that don't matter. Stop stressing over what Bobby thinks of your new haircut. This foam stage is all about softening the mental junk so we can wash it away. And trust me, you don't want to be the person with a mind so cluttered they walk into a room and forget why they came in. Now comes the fun part, the power wash. This is where the car wash unleashes high-pressure jets to blast away all the grime. In your brain, this is where you replace messy thoughts with clarity. Common mental clutter alert. I have so much to do. I don't even know where to start. Let's pick one thing and tackle that first. I'll never be able to do this. What's one small step I can take right now? Your thoughts shape your focus. If they're dirty and negative, your vision gets cloudy. But when you wash them clean, suddenly you can see clearly again. Ever notice how a good car wash doesn't just stop at cleaning? They add a layer of wax to keep the dirt from sticking again. That's what you need to do for your mind. Once you clear it, you gotta protect it. Meditation, that's your mental wax. Good sleep, that's your clear coat finish. Avoiding toxic people, that's like parking in the garage instead of under a tree full of birds with, let's just say, bad aim. You wouldn't let a freshly clean car get trashed again, so why let your mind get cluttered? The final step, the warm air blow dry. Everything's fresh, shiny, and spotless. This is what clarity feels like. When your mind is clear, you know exactly where you're going. You're not overwhelmed by junk. You make better decisions. You actually enjoy the ride. And just like a clean car turns heads, a clear mind makes you more confident, focused, and unstoppable.
Yes!
Drive forward with clarity. So here's your challenge. Wash your brain like you'd wash your car. Get rid of the mental dirt. Blast away distractions. Protect your clarity. Because when your mind is clear, you stop getting lost and start actually enjoying the journey. Alright, that's it for today. If your brain feels cleaner already, hit that like button. And if you want to keep your mental engine running smoothly, subscribe for more. Until next time, stay focused, stay clear, and keep driving forward.